The switch turns your drill on and off, allows you to vary the speed of the motor, and lets you change the motor's direction. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on, losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor, or no longer changing motor direction. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing one side of the drill's housing. Now I can begin removing the switch. First, I'll remove the cord wires from the switch. The wires are held in place with a trapdoor style of connector. I insert a small screwdriver into the opening, twist it, and then I can pull the wire out of the connector. Now I can install the new switch. I'll reinstall the motor wires first. I'll start with the yellow wire, then the black, and on the other side, the red and the white. I'll make sure the wires are tucked out of the way. And now install the cord wires. The cord wires just simply press into the openings. I'll make sure the switch is installed down into the housing. I'll tuck the cord wires back into the housing, and at the same time install the cord protector into this opening at the bottom of the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing.